You did that, sis. Can you guess what hair color I'm gonna dye my hair? You know how they used to tell me nothing was cheap, no good. So lit up, I was like, okay, let me go get my nails done, go get a pedicure, get some acrylic. I haven't had acrylics in a while because I've been going to the gym. Just put up on one random salon. The gel polish looked like a 10-year-old did it. And then my pedicure, she was hurrying to do my pedicure. She cut my toe. My toe looks like when somebody shot someone. That's how bad it was bleeding. I hate the color. I got this pink. I thought it was gonna be a nudie pink. It's a bright pink. You will never get me wear a bright pink like this ever in my life. I'm pretty basic when it comes down to my nails. This, I'm sorry. I'm sincerely sorry to my nail tech, Kamisha, because she's who I normally go to. But I just didn't have any time to go book an appointment and do all the extra stuff. But baby, I just wasted my money. Yes, I did. Yes, now my damn toe is hurting. I'm gonna have to alcohol it off. I swear. I also got some stuff from the beauty supply store. She really fucked up my toe. Like, she cut the meat part of my toe. I got Milan some beads. I got these socks. I'm sure I could have gotten a way better deal for these, but I seen these and I got them. I got them to wear with my Yeezys. My Yeezy sneakers. I need socks to go with them. And then I got the Effigy Quarantine 2-minute reconstructor. I got 2 of them. Don't know if that's gonna cover my whole head, but I got 40 volume developer, and then I got this orange sunrise orange, paprika, and orange blaze. Can you guess what hair color I'm gonna dye my hair? Can you? For 2023, I want to have a signature style that I have my hair in for majority of the year. I'm getting to a point where my natural hair is boring me and I'm about to get scissor happy, so instead of getting scissor happy, I'm just going to dye my hair a different color and find out what my signature style is going to be. I think it's going to be a versatile sewing because quite honestly, I'm quite tired of my hair. So yeah, that's what I got. We're supposed to go to the parade today. I don't know where Babe went. Babe took the boys and the rest of the kids to go see Black Panther because they didn't see it. It was just me and the girls that went to go see it. And yeah, but I love my fit. Look at my fit. So I have my Brandon Blackwood bag. I have this top from Shein, and then my biker shorts is from Amazon. It's a set, and then my hat is also from Amazon. I love these hats, okay? I love these a lot. As you guys can see, I'm kind of finding like my personal style. I feel like my personal style is kind of like sporty, casual. But anyways, I'm gonna try to find something to eat because I'm mad and I'm hungry right now. So yeah, see you later. Probably when we go to the parade, because the parade don't start until 5, and it's after 4 at this point. So I got one of my Black Friday packages. I didn't do a lot of Black Friday shopping this year. I think I ordered from 2 places, and it was all stuff for me, really. And this is from Hanifa. I wanted something from Hanifa for a while. I was just waiting on this stuff to go on sale. I actually want 2 more items from her. I want the corset that she has, and she also have this bedazzled shirt dress. I want that. So as you can see, Hanifa. Orange set in a medium because it has a split in the front, and I didn't want the split to be too high. The quality, oh baby, the quality of this, they weren't lying. They were not lying, darling. The quality, yes. And I love that I got a medium because it's kind of like a midi skirt on me. The quality is given. And this set is actually on sale, so it's super affordable. I think it's like $160 or $180. And then I got an extra 35% off when I bought it on Black Friday. I'm gonna move y'all out a little bit so you can see the full thing. I love me a good 2-piece set now. I feel like this with some jean shorts, the top with some jean shorts or some jean pants is going to look amazing. Can tuck this in. I love that the skirt has pockets. I love the nice side detail, and this is giving, okay? It's giving what it needs to give. The quality is amazing. They weren't lying about that. So Hanifa, you did that, sis. Fit because the waist is so tight, okay? But baby, I'm gonna got a small, because if I got a medium, it wouldn't fit like this. Hold on, let me put you guys down a little bit. Look at that. It's hugging the curves. Damn. And the waist is definitely tight for a reason. It snatches the hell out your waist. I can't wait till it get cold enough in Florida for me to actually wear something like this. It's giving. And I love how long this is. So if you wanted to wear these with heels, they would look great. So if you're a tall girly, you don't have to worry about them being short. And the quality, this is a knit material. Oh, it's super soft. The quality is giving, it's 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 giving. Oh, oh my God. I'm not disappointed at all. And I feel like this would go perfect with my Brandon Black with pink bag that I just got. The pink and gold one. Oh, baby. Hanifa, you did that. Sis, you did that. I'm going to buy some more stuff. Give me a minute. Hold on. So Miss Mamas is up. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
I guess we're not bother going to the parade because Babe is at the movies with the other kids and they haven't gotten out the movies yet. And Malani also got her nail. Let me see your hand. Malani also got her nails done, people. Gel polish at that. Real hot girl things. But if we go to the parade, I'll see y'all. If we don't, I'll see y'all. Deuces. So let's get straight into it. On my leg days, I like to do my heavy compound movements first, and I like to split up my workout into 2 sections. I only do 4 to 5 movements or 4 to 5 workouts for glute growth. And I'm starting out with deadlifts. I love deadlifts because it's going to build all your leg muscles and also target your glute. So you're going to have a nice hamstring, nice thighs, and it's going to build your overall legs, which is why I love deadlifts. And I also love deadlifts because it makes me feel strong. And I do 4 sets of 6 and then I rest for 3 to 4 minutes and I take my time with these to make sure I'm not hurting my back or anything like that. So these are hip thrusts, and I do a combination of hip thrust and calves glute bridge. So I slowed it down so you guys can really see. I do 5 full hip thrusts and then a pause right here. And then I'm going to go into calves glute bridge. And all calves glute bridge is when you shorten the movement. You don't go all the way down. And I am doing kickbacks. I normally go light with my kickback so I can focus on form, and I do from anywhere from about 22 to about 37 pounds for my kickbacks. And I do regular kickbacks and then I do a 45-degree angle kickbacks. I do 4 sets of 10 of these and I rest for 2 minutes in between.
And as you can see in this set, I do 5 regular kickbacks, then I do a 30-second pause, and then I go into another 5. And this is where I slowed it down for you guys so you guys can see I do a 45-degree angle for my kickback. And I'm also on a 35 metal plate on the foot that doesn't have the cord because I don't want my foot dragging on the floor. This is a good tip if you want to do kickbacks and your feet are dragging on the floor all the time. Just just grab some plates, some flat plates, and put it where your foot is standing still and the foot that you're not using. And next we're gonna go into squats. I love me a good squat and I'm going heavy on these squats today. I'm trying not to So when I'm going heavy on my squats, I like to make sure I'm bracing my core, which is what you saw me did a while ago. And now I'm showing you guys how I train until failure. Like this is no joke. You can see my face. I'm struggling, but I'm still pushing myself and going. And as you can see right there, I can't go anymore. And that's what training until failure looks like. I would suggest you incorporate some of those in your workout. Try maybe 1 to 2 of your workouts and train until failure. You literally can't go anymore. Then I like to end my workout, my leg day workout, with some back extension. And as you guys can see, my feet are wide. I put my feet in a V position. They're not straight on the back extension machine. And I'm also not straightening my back. I'm kind of like curving my back, and it's as you can see at the top of my glutes, it's really targeting the glutes, and that's how you're going to get a nice shelf. If you have a problem getting your butt to look really round, this is the exercise for.
I've been through some shit, man, but I be on my shit, man. I decided that what you give is what you're giving, so I've been trying to do it right. I've been doing like whatever gets me through the night. What a life. I'm still.
So with this, I do 4 sets of 10, 2 to 3 minutes rest, and I train until failure. I literally crawl out the gym on my leg days.
So your girl finally recorded her gym workout. I need to go bathe, which is why the shower is on. But I wanted to show you guys updated progress, physique, whatever you want to call it, video. So this.
Hi. Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
So I'm about to go bathe because I gotta take these kids to the park. Tire them out a little bit because I want to go live. So that's what we're going to do.
Yeah. Say hi.
Say hi. So I just finished my weekly live and I had a great time. I'm gonna watch my lives if you haven't. Great commentary content. I think I'm getting back into the groove of actually liking to do commentary. For a long time I hated commentary. So yep. So babe, Haitian food. This is the drinks. This tastes like cola champagne. I'll show you. Brio. Grill, I want get them. Leg, grill and legume. Before we do all that.
So I love me a good, nice, sweet red wine, and this is super affordable at Walmart. And then this ocean spray, watermelon and cranberry juice, and then Paul Mason pineapple. Oh my God, these two together, amazing. I've been drinking these for the last 3 weeks straight. That's how good it is.
And we're watching Green Eggs and Ham on Netflix. When Babe ready to eat, we'll eat. I'll give my thoughts on the Haitian food. Yes. So we did a full mukbang. A full. They went to go get Jaden from basketball practice. But we did a full mukbang of Haitian food. You can see it on Babe's channel. But I will say, the Haitian food is super good. The griot is amazing. We're definitely going back for that. And the rice and peas.
Yeah.
If you haven't tried Haitian food, go try it.
Yeah.
And it's the first time I'm eating griot and legumes. I love the griot. I've had dirty rice and stewed chicken before, and it's super good also.
Yeah.
So with that being said, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.